play pi baro te hakani ka video ngin le amno ngin ya solve part ya ka unit pair of linear equations and two variables ma tengin page biang iki MCQs hi te kidar na do question 42 hado 50 okay ngin solve kawe okay so ngin page ya ka first question if the graph of two line passes through the same point then the system of equation representing this line is shwa bangin jubab akwa bangan hikai jwe pi khandiat chphang the nature of lines and consistency ma there ngan draw a table okay ngan le hang ne so the first one kindai ki ratio okay after ratio kan dan ka nature of the graph dap nang ta kan dan how many solutions nang ta kan sadon pat saka the nature okay so first one min shem kan dai ka ratio okay shwaya kata hakani ka unit the standard form of two linear equations kan dai ka ni a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0 and kani ka first equation second pa kan dai a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0 pinapai hang ni kini ki a b and c ki dai ki coefficient of a and b ki coefficient of x and y respectively c which is a constant and in fact a1 and a2 b1 and b2 and c1 and c2 ru am ki constants ma so kadon ka relationship kan hapring kini ki constants jong kini ki variable x and y okay kan mau x and y unde bi ujo kin pair dang kini okay so ka ratio the first ratio is if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 lara phi divide ikini artli okay and pin pet lara kam equal ra then what type of graph pure that is intersecting okay bale intersecting kan longkum ni ka graph jung kini artli and then they'll meet at one exact point okay so this graph is for a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2 kan ma unia di not equal sign okay if they are intersecting kamut kanutli ki solutions kanutli ki values jong x and y kanutli kindai only one bale namar they meet each other at exactly one point so they nang takada okay so unique solution laning in top itang one solution and then what will be the nature of this can they consistent okay so can you get a weight ratio then the second ratio okay now the next ratio can they a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 and this is equal to c1 by c2 tapinda yo kum kane ka ratio ba baro kini ki ratios jong kini ki coefficients they are equal then you have a coinciding line okay they see I coinciding line okay kamut kumno kamut they'll form one straight line and kini baro ki values am kin don be po chung new line kin okay uni un extension te okay and then uni ro un extension ni so how many solution infinitely many solution okay many solution and is it consistent yes okay but dependent okay the last ratio where a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but it is not equal to C1 by C2. Okay, telah piyok kum kan ye, they are parallel lines. Okay, piyok kum ni kan artillery lines. Okay, they will never meet each other. Kan mau parallel lines kim ju kendura. Okay, an example kalau kum a railway track kim ju kendura. Okay, so they have no solution. Okay, and since bakim dan solution ra, so they are inconsistent. Okay, so kakam ikdor what semua ay tambangat. I hope ba pilai ya semua tu ikan ni. Okay, te ngin lem no menta. Okay, ngin cuba ba ikan ni, and then we will solve this solution. This problem. Ma. So kani rupiapkan mau a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Kani kari first equation, and then a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Kani kari second equation. Okay, kan mau hai kani. This is the standard form of a linear pair of linear equations. Okay. Ta. Then ngatrai pelanang hi banya jubab hi kani. If the graph of two lines, okay, passes through the same point. Okay, so ban kamsuk, you take that one point. Kiong pada if two line passes through the same point. Okay, so we can draw this. And the best thing lada por ba phi solve ya ke ek questions ka ba phi pule la ne phimot ban solve try ban draw at least ka diagram. Kat ka ba phila na ka tu ka diagram kan kamsuk phin sayo ek solution. So kan ek ka way. And kadang ska way ru ma mdai ratang kan ye phin da pet ba. Let's say udah uni tahu, okay, at the same point. So this is the graph. Pinapait bah uni line ngan ban so away na jrong again. Artillery line they passes through the same point, correct? Okay. So then the system of equation representing this line is, you can say consistent. Namar balay. We have a solution. Namar ki intersect. Okay. Tangbao. Is it consistent lani consistent dependent? Namar artillery ki solution. Okay. So answer kan day option C. Consistent dependent. Kadai kanikin. Namar balay. They might coincide. No doubt they intersect. But then they also coincide. Okay. So the solution kadai C. Okay. I hope you are clear. Then in solve the next question. Okay. The pair of equation x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 has first option they no solution, then one solution, two solution, infinitely many solution. So habakila I said the value of x and y. Dina habakila I but it is equal to 0 and 0. So answer can day one solution. Okay. I hope you're clear. Te ya kan ni ka table the somehow phi hap hi ban draw la ni ban kan mau. Okay. I know it is challenging but pin kan mau dai nam. So phi le akum no phi pek choi ka first ratio a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. Phi chu pek tang di equal sign ro phi e bi ni bi dan bakat dai nam. So kan khamsok e phi kalong kum to ken. You can just imagine this as a cross but on tang 1 point now. If there is a 1 point, kamut only one solution. Okay, so you have a solution reply you often solve. And then if there is a solution, they are consistent. Okay. Next pada lada ki equal load baro kamun a straight line which is coinciding. Okay. And lada page how new line pada pi picture you line kan. Lada pi extend you to line shipon taligi points ki dalam tu. So infinitely many solution. Okay. You done many solution and then again pure take a solution jong x and y. So they are consistent. Okay. The last one pada a1 and a2 are equal to b1 and b2 but then not equal to c1 c2. Okay. Kamu they are parallel lines and ki parallel lines kim juya tingku ralane kim they'll never meet each other. So if they never meet each other, that means there will be no solution for x and y. Okay, come on, they are inconsistent. Okay. So next question. The system of equation ax or a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 has an infinite number of solutions if kan mau mana infinite numbers of solution if they are coincide. Okay, so kata showing latim, so they are on the coincide. So cái paka ratio trong cái này cầm đây a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 and it is equal to c1 by c2. Okay, so ini pet ke solution kan đây option C. Okay, that's easy. Now 45. The system of equation, this one again and this one, has a unique solution. Come on, only one solution. Okay, if lada bandai one solution, isn't it? But they ban intersect. Okay, so jong ka intersect pure kat notely solution, one solution, and ka kandai ka ratio jong ka ni a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. Okay, so solution hang ni kandai option A. Okay, easy. Now next question 46. The system of equation, again this one and this one, has no solution if they are parallel, correct? If the graph is parallel, then there is no solution. And the ratio jong parallel kan no a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 and it is not equal to c1 by c2. Okay, so answer kan option B. Okay, again that's easy. Pinla pan jubab kini only if p pelak ikut ke table ke banglah hikai mana. Ma. So practice ya katu and kan sasuk ba pin solve kini.